Hi everyone. Why start an Airbnb hosting business? Isn't it a lot of work? Sure, yeah, indeed. At the start, it is a lot of work. But if you plan on being an entrepreneur, if you plan on starting other businesses, it's a fantastic business to start because it's basically pretty safe. Airbnb is a solid company, and I suppose the worst thing that could happen, if as long as you don't go into a lot of debt, you start with an Airbnb in your own home or in your apartment. Basically, you're not going to go bankrupt, so it's a great business that way. As well, you're going to learn all the basic skills of having your own business, dealing with customers, accounting, being organized, you name it, all the skills that you need to run a business, marketing, all of that stuff. So it's a very good business that way. So from being an Airbnb host, you're going to learn so many things. You're going to learn computer skills as well, dealing with software and all of those things. So if you go on from Airbnb, it's a great start. You will have a good knowledge about how to manage others. I'm presuming that you will get a staff for cleaning and things like that. So it's a really good business that way.